friends. Today we're going to make another quick, easy, do-it-yourself project. This one is going to be an oatmeal shampoo for your dog. Your dog deserves the best. You might as well give him something all natural, without chemicals, without added ingredients, that works well to keep his skin nice and smooth and itch-free. Let's get started, shall we?
Hi, I'm Sherry, and this is Buddy, the top dog of Lucky Dog Creations.
All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a cup of old-fashioned oatmeal. I'm going to put it in our little spice grinder here. It's not going to take the whole cup, so we're going to go ahead and just do it a little bit at a time. And we're going to want to grind it up until it's the consistency of flour. Or you can go ahead and buy oat flour too as well, but my store does not carry it. It's easier for me to just grind it up. And as you can see, it does have the consistency of flour. So we can go ahead and go on to the next step. Now this shampoo for the dogs is very easy to make. It only has 3 ingredients, but they're very beneficial for him. You'll need 1 cup of ground up oatmeal. Oatmeal is very good for dry, itchy skin. So with this in the shampoo, it will eliminate your dog's dry, itchy skin, and he will not be scratching himself because his skin will be feeling so much better. And this is the ground up oatmeal that I made. Here it is, the consistency of flour, and we dump it in our bowl. Next we'll be adding a 1/2 cup of baking soda. Baking soda is good for the skin. It helps exfoliate the dead skin cells, and that will also leave his skin feeling soft and smooth and not itchy. So the combination of them both will make his skin feel really, really good. He'll feel like a new dog. So you want to go ahead and just mix that all together. And the last ingredient is 1 quart of warm water. The warm water will help dissolve the oatmeal and the baking soda. This 2-cup measuring cup is a 1/2 quart. Okay, and there's the second 1/2 of the quart of warm water. And then you just want to get it all mixed up until it all dissolves. So I'm going to be putting them into an 8-ounce squeeze top plastic jar. Okay, I have my funnel, have a smaller measuring cup, and then just pour it in. There we got a nice shampoo for your dog. We have the finished product. It made 4 8-ounce bottles. You could probably make it, as a 16-ounce bottle or however big a bottle that you want. And then to use it, you want to just shake it up, make sure that it's all mixed up before you put it on your dog. You get the dog's coat all wet, and then you put some on your dog, and then you lather it in and get all over his body. And then if he lets you, just let it sit there for a few minutes to absorb and let it work its magic, and then you can rinse it off. This is a very cheap, only 3 ingredients way to get your dog nice and clean and feeling better with no itch. This recipe comes from the American Kennel Club, so you know it's got to be good. If you like my video, please subscribe, hit the bell so you can get notice of my other videos that I will be making. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Comments and suggestions are welcome. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.